Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn family and friends together step by step. Hello friends, I'm Vidya. Today we will talk about your family and your friends. Your family loves you and takes care of you. Your friends play with you and make you happy. Let us learn all about them. A family is the people who live with you and love you. There's your mother and father, maybe a brother or a sister. And sometimes grandma and grandpa too. Some families are big and some are small. Every family is special. Friends are people we like to be with. We play games together. We share our toys and our food. We laugh and have fun. A good friend is kind and helps you when you are sad. In a family and with friends, we help each other. We say please and thank you. We share our things. We are kind and gentle. When we are kind, everyone feels happy. To recap, your family loves you and takes care of you. Your friends play and share with you. And the best thing of all is to be kind to everyone. Well done, friends. Great work. Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.